Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. And today I would like to share with you a small haul from DD's. I'm going to start to my left. The first item is this spoon rest, and it has a rooster on it, and it's like cast iron. And I paid $4.99 for it. I bought this wallet for $6.99, I believe. For some reason they take off the price tags. I guess they don't want you to return them, so they take them off, I guess, because I didn't take them off. And I really like this wallet because it has two dividers here. Because I'm always shopping for someone else, I can keep their money separate from my money or somebody else's money, because I'm usually shopping for different people, and I can just stick an envelope here with their money. And then it has this little section here for coins, and then like for my driver's license, and yeah, it's very roomy. But I only bought this because I need a wallet that will complement my new purse. And I don't need a new purse, but I saw this purse and I just fell in love with it. It's a canvas material. I think it's so cute, and it almost mimics the Burberry, and I am loving it. And look, I only put these details just to try to make it stand up, but it didn't really work. But look how roomy it is, and I can put my big wallet in there, and if I'm going to the movies, I can put my snacks in there. It has a zipper here, and I like that because I like to put my keys and my phone in a separate compartment, so that when I'm looking for it, I don't have to dig through my purse to try to get it. Then it has a strap. I'm just going to carry it like this, and once it starts getting raggedy, maybe I will use the strap. But for now, this is how I like it. The next item is this fridge and freezer bin, and I bought this so that I can store my eggs. We've been going to Sam's Club, and we buy the big old package of 4 to 5 dozen eggs, and I usually I have an overflow, so with this I can just put the overflow here, and I really like it. I paid $3.99 for this. I paid about $1.50 for these two pacifiers, and these are for a newborn. And my niece is having a little boy, and so I decided to pick these up. I wasn't there to shop for her, but since I found these really good deals, I just purchased them. And I purchased this 0 to 6 months 3-piece infant set from Nike. And I paid around $6 for this, and I'm loving it. Isn't that cute? And it'll match the pacifier. This is all I have for you today. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Goodbye.